What do you think about work from home in forward?
Encourages laziness and complacency.
Boring and I'm alone.
Been there, done that. I don't like it.
Makes you dumber every day. Dumber every day.
Kamusta, Nerdy? So, babaliin ko yung ating video ngayong araw, ha? Alam nyo, nagsusulat ako ng script kanina, pero nang nakikita ko yung sinasabi ng mga tao na involved dito sa video na to, sabi ko, alam mo, hindi mo na ako mag-i-script ngayon. Gusto ko mag-blind reaction dito kasi nung nababasa ko, no, at nakikita ko rin yung mga comment ng mga tao, hindi ko maiwasan na mainis at manggigil sa sinasabi nila, no? Sa dami na pwede mong tirahin sa buong mundo, no pun intended, work from home pa. Yung pang-iinitan mo. Work from home na tayo nagbibigay ng work-life balance sa mga tao ngayon. Napakahirap na po ng buhay ngayon. Napakahirap ng biyahe, especially kung taga Metro Manila ka. Tapos aawayin mo yung work from home. Ngayon, I have to be fair. Syempre may mga cons din naman talaga ang work from home. Pero the good heavily outweighs the bad. Work from home din kasi ako, pati aking editor, no? Eh, syempre, meron mga bagay na mas madaling gawin pag on-site ka. Pero, napakaliit lang nun kumpara sa matatanggal na pagod, matatanggal na... mamaya ako na-reactan! Anyways, mag-like, subscribe at notification bell kayo kasi meron tayong 1,000 Gcash giveaway. Sagutin nyo lang, ha? Ang question of the day natin sa dulo ng video na to, na I think naman alam nyo na kung ano yung itatanong ko. Sana natin. Teka, mag-ano pa rin pala muna kayo. Follow kayo sa aking Instagram. Bigyan nyo ako ng mga stories na pwede natin i-cover. Puntahan nyo ako doon. At yung ibang mga tao, sinishare po nila sa akin na nanonood sila, ini-story nila at ini-story ko din. So, hi po sa inyo. Lalagay ko yung Instagram ko sa ilalim. Eto na. Disclaimer lang ako, hindi ko pa napapanood ng buo to. May mga snippets lang ako nakita at nakikita ko lang yung mga comments. Pero the video in itself, hindi ko pa talaga napapanood. Apparently, it's a TikTok from a company na nagngangalang Nimbix. Tingnan po natin yung Nimbix. Ay, tingnan ko yung Facebook page nila. Sabi nila, leading technology-focused venture capital firm based in BGC. We invest in disruptive healthcare and technology companies with the goal of challenging healthcare for good. Ngayon, wala po akong alam kung ano tong Nimbix. So, kung may mga, actually, kung meron po mga taga-Nimbix na nanonood sa atin, kwento nyo sa akin, no? Kung ano ba talaga yung eksena dyan. Meron din ako nakitang mga empleyado sa Nimbix na nag-comment na hindi ipapakita ko sino sila. Pero yung source niya is a good friend of mine na alam ko, feeling ko lang ha, totoo naman ito. Titignan na natin. Eto na yon. Go!
What do you think about work from home in
Ang tanong sa kanila dito is, what do you think about work from home in 4 words? Go!
What do you think about work from home in forward?
Encourages laziness and complacency.
Ang ano doon, yung encourages laziness and complacency. Magpapaka-fair ako na may certain truths din naman yun, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag work from home, tamad na! Diba? Alam mo, ang mga taong naging empleyado din ako. Ngayon, employer na ako. Meron po akong aking editor do, pero naging empleyado din ako. At yung dati pumapasok ako, 3 oras yung aking biyahe at 1 oras ka maliligo, tapos yung biyahe mo Pakita natin yung sitwasyon, yung pila sa LRT, traffic, and this was around 8 years, 9 years ago. Ngayon, mas malala na, especially pag bare months. Imagine mo eto yung, syempre, as employer, iniisip ko din po, nalulugi ba ako pag... Hindi eh. Kasi yung 1-2 oras, iniisip ko, ang dami na maraming mga tao na 1-2 oras, matatapos na nila lahat ng dapat nilang gawin sa isang araw. At pwede na silang gawin yung mga bagay sa buhay nila. Diba? Imagine, 8 hours, actually 9 hours ka nasa opisina kung kasama yung lunch break mo. Tapos idadagdag mo pa yung biyahe na 2-3 oras. ano na, dyan ngayon papasok yung work-life balance. Siguro kaya sinasabi na nagiging tamad kasi andun lang sa bahay. Aminin na natin, no, pag work from home ka, minsan talaga nakakatamad na talaga maligo, ganyan. Pero yun nga yung perks eh. Hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng mga bagay-bagay. Kaya mo namang mag-function. So may mga bagay ka na na-omit. At hindi ibig sabihin no, na tamad ka. Yung complacency, medyo naiintindihan ko pa kasi dahil nga mas may time ka sa sarili mo, di ba? Nandito ka lang. Hindi ka na umaalis ng bahay. Yun yung isang con na nakikita ko as a work from home na trabahador din po, no? Minsan, nakakapraning din yung nasa loob ka ng bahay lang din kasi. I'll give this to them. No? Hindi ka na nakakapag-try ng mga bagay-bagay. Pero gaya nga nasabi ko, the good outweighs the bad. Dapat yung pinararating nila dito na parang ang tatamad ng mga work from home. Diyos ko dahil. Actually, daanan lang din po natin, no? Mas mas maraming ginagawa yung mga work from home. Kasi, isa rin to sa cons, pero wala nang pagitan yung buhay mo, personal at buhay trabaho. So, habang nagtatrabaho ka, inaasikaso mo na rin yung mga nangyayari sa bahay. Ayun lang yung nakikita kong con din, hindi minsan makapag-focus talaga sa pagtatrabaho. Pero, yun nga yung point eh, diba? Nasa bahay ka, magagawa mo, especially yung mga single parents, di ba naalagaan nila yung mga anak nila. Yun eh! Tapos sasabihin mo, tamad.
Boring and I'm alone.
Boring and I'm alone. Hindi rin eh. Oo, pero hindi. Magpapaka-honest ako, no? Medyo boring din minsan yung nasa darating yung point na parang, hala, ba't nandito lang ako? And may effect talaga siya sa mental health. That being said, mas maganda, mas malaki yung gaan sa utak mo na hindi mo na kailangan makipagplastikan sa workplace, wala yung workplace drama, hindi mo kailangan makipagplastikan sa mga boss mo, kumpara sa pag nasa nasa bahay ka lang. Ito nga isa sa mga nakita ko, no? Although, totoo rin naman kasi no, nakakatamad na lumabas. Ito, may isang video dito. Ayan. Ito daw yung mornings ng mga tao na naka-work from home. Ayan. Nakakapag-jogging pa sa umaga, kung ano-ano pa yung nagagawa. Nakakapag-sine pa sa gabi, di ba? Tapos, pag hindi ka naka-work from home, ayan yung traffic. Yun talaga isa sa mga pinakamalaki. Eto pa ha, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ako hindi naman malaki yung kinikita ko nung nagtatrabaho pa ako noon. Tapos parang more than half ng sweldo ko napupunta sa biyahe tsaka pagkain. Pag nasa bahay ka, pwede kang magluto. Habang sumasagot ka ng calls, magluto ka, di ba? Mas tipid pa. Malaki talaga yung naitulong ng work from home. Ang weird nga nitong video na to kasi parang feeling ko lang, hula ko lang to ha. Feeling ko parang nautusan lang sila ng boss nila. At sabihin natin, pangit yung work from home. Para makita siguro ng mga empleyado. Hula ko lang yan ha. Siguro gusto na rin nilang bumalik. Totoo rin naman kasi na may mga bagay na mas madaling gawin kapag on-site ka nagtatrabaho. Mas madaling sabihin na, oy, palitan mo yung ganito. Oy, ganyan. Direkta kayo nag-uusap Unlike yung magsa-setup pa ng calls. That being said, para sa empleyado po, napakalayo. On yung empleyado perspective napakalayo nung epekto ng pag-work from home sa pag-o-onsite. Siguro medyo pwedeng in between. Depende sa kung ano yung trabaho ninyo. Kunyari, kung creatives kayo, syempre, di ba, hindi naman pwedeng work from home kayo. Nag-shooting kayo, work from home. Di ba? Anyways, tuloy natin.
Been there, done that.
Yung mga lang talaga to, yung mga kumikita lang talaga ng pera, wala silang pakialam sa empleyado nila. Gusto lang nila kumita ng pera, girl.
I don't like it.
Di mo ka mag-work from home, te.
Makes you dumber every
Eto na yung trigger ng lahat. Yung makes you dumber every day. Actually, ikinabobo mo kung gusto mong mag-onsite Hindi na lahat ha. Pero sa isang regular na empleyadong Pilipino. Matalino ka ba kung babiyahe ka araw-araw? Siyempre, pipiliin mo na yung nasa bahay ka, di ba? Pipiliin mo yung less yung gastos mo. Bobo ka kung maniniwala ka sa sinasabi nila. Makes you dumber. Although, gaya nga nasabi ko, magpapaka-fair tayo, may certain truths din naman kasi, yung araw-araw na nakaupo ka lang. Medyo may effect talaga siya sa mental health. Pero dumber, ewan ko sa inyo. Ay! Siya pala yung CEO. Kaya naman pala triggered yung mga tao. Ikis ka dyan. Sasabihan mo bobo pag work from home. Diyos ko. Kaya naman pala. Ikis. Feeling ko pakana niya tong video. Hula ko, pwede mo ko i-correct ka, pero feeling ko magawa tayo ng video na pababalikin na natin sa on-site yung mga empleyado na. Feeling ko ganun yung nangyari. Hula ko lang yan ha. Ito na yung comment ng mga tao. Sabi, if that is your opinion about work from home, keep it to yourselves. A lot of people are thankful for work from home. Isa to sa mga bagay na thankful ako for COVID. Hindi ako thankful for COVID pero because of COVID kasi na nakapag-work from home tayo. Dati hindi ko naman maiisip na pwede pala yung work from home. Diba? Siyempre sabihin ko hindi. As employer, hindi. Parang magiging yun din yung mindset ko, magiging tamad tayo, ganyan. Pero nagwo-work naman pala and mas okay para sa empleyado mo. Hindi ba yun naman dapat yung focus mo? Tingnan mong tao yung mga empleyado mo kung nakakapagpahinga ba sila, diba? Hindi man ganun kataas yung maipasweldo mo. Pero alam mo yung nabibigyan mo pa rin sila ng work-life balance. So, yun lang. Bilang isang bilang isang empleyado lang may mga nababasa talaga ako ng mga articles din na hindi talaga sa pera ang empleyado nakatingin, kundi sa yung pagtatagal sa isang kumpanya, kundi sa kung gaano sila nagkakaroon ng work-life balance, yung relasyon nila sa mga bosses nila. Ekis ka dyan, girl. Tapos nakita ko may video pa sila. Hindi ko napahabain to pero may video pa sila,
Some people are even super mad. So we got a lot of flack.
Nag-respond pa sila. Feeling ko triggered yung boss nila dito. Nakakaloka kasi. Ba't ipupush? Sorry na lang kayo, te. Nakakaloka. Ngayon, yung mga tao, alam nyo ito na, may yung galing sa friend ko, pinost niya ito. Ayun, ang nakalagay sa contract, 8 to 5, tapos na-overwork daw sila. Hindi na po natin kakalkalin yan problema na po nila yan. Pero nakikita ko din, na hindi ko na po kakalkalin to Nimbex got hacked. Mayabang kasi. Hinahack daw sila. Ang ekis kasi talaga nagaling pa talaga sa CEO. Bobo daw yung mga nag-work from home. Nakakaloka.
Makes you dumber every
Wala lang. Kayo ang bunot for today's video. Triggered ako, honestly. Wala lang. Siguro hindi rin nila na-experience yung maging, yung hindi malaking kita mo, di ba? Tapos, hindi ka na makapag-focus sa buhay. Isa sa mga ayoko nang maulit na pangyayari sa buhay ko. And alam ko marami nakatrap pa rin sa ganito. Yung biyahe araw-araw talaga. Naghihintay ka ng 2 oras sa biyahe araw-araw. Dumating pa yung point na uuwi na lang ako para pumikit. Tas dilat na ulit. Napapa-question ako sa buhay ko, ito ba talaga yung gusto ko? Kung employers po kayo, maging makatao kayo. Maging makatao kayo. Huwag niyo sasabihan niyo pambobo. Yun lang. Anyways, para sa ating question of the day, naniniwala ba kayo sa sabi ng CEO na nakakabobo ang work from home? Yun lamang po. Ito si Clara III. At ito ang aking kwento. Ay, nako.
The question for us is, so, Lemuel, did you see? So, you're one of the people na sumagot ng ayaw mo actually nag-work from home. So, we got a lot of flack, like from the netizens, saying na they like working from home, it gives them work-life balance, and some people are even super mad.
Really?
Sa mga sinabi natin, yeah. So, I just want to get your thoughts why you don't like working from home. I have my own thoughts on why I don't like working from home.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So, ikaw, ba't mo nasabi na ayaw mo mag-work from home?
Well, as a graphic designer who used to work from home kasi, one thing that naging effect sa akin ng work from home is, well, first and foremost, the positives. Yeah, may work-life balance. Ikaw ang mag-control ng time mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wake up late, you can sleep late, and anyway. So, that before sa work ko kasi, binibigyan lang ako ng project. So, once na ma-finish ko na yung project, re-report ko lang siya at the end of the day. So, matapos ko man siya ng early in the morning or late in the afternoon, basta may natapos ako, sa end of day ko siya sinasubmit.
Yeah.
So, what happened is, since mabilis ako mag-work, since as a graphic designer, ay medyo na-master ko na yung
Craft.
craft ko, yes. Yeah. So, what happened was, 1 hour a day lang ako nag-work.
Oh my God.
Yes, in the
Wow.
morning lang ako nag-work.
I mean,
Pagkabigay sa akin ng
some
project.
people want that for themselves.
Yeah.
There's no right or wrong. Like some
Yeah.
people, if you want that, chill life, go
Yeah.
ahead, do that. Yeah.
Yeah. It was really good kasi I got to go to the gym. I got to FaceTime my partner anytime I want. But the downside is medyo naging lazy ako in a sense
Yeah,
na
I understand.
after ko mag-work, natutulog ako, gigising na onte, tapos matutulog ulit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I wanted to grow kasi.
Yeah.
So I can only learn so much on my own. So I needed people that are better than me, that are, I can learn from. So yun nga, I really wanted to join a company that has a good team that would help me
Yeah.
grow.
And then I remember during your interview, really you want somewhere where you can work on site, but ang caveat is that you want some place na maganda yung culture. That's
Yes.
why you were checking out the team. You were like getting to know them. Parang, are these my people?
Yeah.
So yeah, I understand that because it's the same thing for me. I think yung frustration ko, I did work from home for a time. At first, I was so happy about it kasi I thought, I don't have to wake up so early. I can sleep more, all of these things.
Yes.
I can do my chores while working. But after some time, I realized na you're right, limited yung learning. Because sure, you can say na nagbabasa ako, nanonood ako ng YouTube tutorials. That's all great. But yung rate ng learning mo, let's not kid ourselves. It's so much easier if you're doing all of those things. Plus, you have people around you,
Yes.
everywhere you look, left or right, na alam nila yung ginagawa nila. And then, they can teach you. They can mentor you. Real time.
Yeah.
They will correct you.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? I'm the person kasi who values growth. So, for me, I feel like yung rate of growth ko, working from home versus working on-site, it's really different.
Yes, that's
And
true.
honestly, like for me, it's just a matter of I don't understand sometimes why people get so mad when I say that. Kasi for them, a lot of employees, they say na, don't ruin it for us. Like, we have a good thing going on.
Yeah.
Like, I can just work from home. Mas madali yung buhay ko, all of these things. But the thing is, if you think about it, the people who are getting upset are honestly, I don't know if I should say it, but honestly, the people who are getting upset are mostly the people na nasa, I would call them laptop class.
Laptop class.
Yeah, so people who have these cushy jobs, like corporate jobs, na they feel like they're entitled to work from home. But you don't see, like manual laborers, like you don't see construction workers like complaining about it.
Yeah.
You don't see janitors or like cashiers complaining about it. When in reality, like, you're actually in a position na mas kaya mo actually to show up, diba?
Yeah.
Pero like for you, it's like, I'm entitled to work from home. But all of these other people who are delivering my Grab food, everyone,
They should work.
diba, they should be on site.
Yeah.
Pero me, I'm gonna get so mad. I'm gonna put so much hate just because, diba? Just because
Yeah.
I'm required to work on site. Parang if these people can do it, you can do it too. You can show up for work. It's just good. I mean, learning, having a community sa work. I mean, for other people, probably they don't like being friends with the
Yeah.
people that they work
Mga
with.
introverts.
Yeah, maybe if you're an introvert, but honestly, for other people na nakakakuha sila ng fulfillment sa career nila, sa job nila, nakakakuha sila ng fulfillment when it comes to growing rapidly,
Learning from other people.
learning from other people, yeah, it's just priceless.
Yes.
So yeah, very controversial topic. So yeah,
And I just want to say that everybody's entitled to their own opinion.
everybody's entitled to their own opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just that I guess that's what makes us different. We don't force people to work on site. I mean, if that's your thing, go ahead and do
Yeah.
that. Pero like for us, we have this mission kasi, and if you talk to anyone who works here at Nimbix, a lot of us are really focused and driven by this one goal, which is really to change the way the world views Filipinos.